Welcome to StockSync. Today, we'll guide you through the bulk product edit connection method on step 1. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through using the bulk product edit feature, exclusive to Shopify. This powerful tool allows you to update multiple products simultaneously, perfect for managing large batches. Imagine you want to increase the markup price of your products by 20% and set a fixed value for the compare at price as 138 for all the products. Bulk product edit makes this process efficient and straightforward. You'll notice that no settings are required in the feed manager. Step 1. This simplifies your workflow. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently apply changes to multiple products in your Shopify store. Thank you for using StockSync. We hope this tutorial helps you know more about bulk product edit.